24, again, we want to find the center and we want to find the radius. This time I'm going to have to complete the square, so it's not set up in standard form like I want it to. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange. So I want my x's together, so I'm going to do x squared minus 2x. I'm going to leave a space, then I'm going to have plus y squared minus 12y, leave another space, equals, and I need to get that 1 to the other side, so it's going to become a negative 1. So now I'm going to think about completing the square for my x's. So this is where we're going to do, if you do b divided by 2 squared, so we have negative 2 divided by 2 squared. That's really negative 1 squared, which is 1. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides. Remember, you have to do it to both sides to keep that equation balanced. Okay, now I'm going to do it for the y's. So in my head, I'm doing negative 12 divided by 2 squared. That's negative 6 squared, or 36. So I need to add 36 to both the left and the right side. So now I can go back and I can factor the x's, my trinomial there and my trinomial here. So for my x's, I would have the quantity of x minus 1 squared plus my y's, I would have the quantity of y minus 6 squared equals, now I can look at the left side here, 36. So now that you have it in standard form, you could read your center. So my center is going to lie at positive 1, positive 6. My radius is going to be the square root of 36, or just 6.